are in Stanisław Tołpa Park in Wrocław, located in the old part of the city, in the Olbin district, which is the demo site chosen for Symbiorem in Poland. The actual demo site is a pond located behind me, which is approximately 5,000 square meter big and with the depth of 1.5 meter. And very thick layer of the sediment, so it causes quite big problems for the quality of water. The main sources of pollution in this pond is the surface runoff from the streets around the park, from the sidewalks, and also from the hill with recreational meadow, which causes the inflow of organic matter. The constant inflow of organic matter from the surface runoff, from the falling leaves, and also from the food being fed to the ducks and pigeons is decomposing inside the pond, and it causes a huge load of nitrogen and phosphorus, which is the reason why the water is green and why we have a problem with eutrophication phenomenon. The bioremediation technique we choose and we develop is extended floating island that you can see behind me, which is constructed from the floating panel where plants are planted above the water surface and some filtration bed is located under the water surface. So we are able to combine both the phytoremediation properties of the plants that can uptake the nitrogen and phosphorus and bioremediation properties of microorganisms that can remove pollutants from the water. We choose floating islands as a solution for this kind of ponds in city parks as a solution to fight with the eutrophication phenomenon. Because of the phytoremediation properties of plants that can uptake nitrogen and phosphorus, and also because this kind of floating islands create very good place to enhance the biodiversity, it seems like the best solution for urban waters. The solution that we developed is already floating on the surface of the pond. Our floating island was launched on September 25th this year. We had some administrative challenges to get proper permission from Urban Greenery Board and from the Conservator of Monuments, but finally we have the permission. We did not have any technical problems with the construction, so we can check if the construction is strong enough to be floating on the pond. So far we have organized the meeting for local community members in the local activity center to tell them about our solution and our project. Also, we prepared some workshops for kids from primary school and for some secondary schools as well. Also, our students from environmental engineering are involved in the monitoring of the water quality. They are coming here, taking samples and doing some measurements in the laboratory. Next week we will take part in the community picnic, so we will tell people how the floating island is constructed and how it actually works.